Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. If you're new here, I mainly show videos that'll save you time, save you money, or make the job easier. Trust me, I'm not gonna go too fast. The only thing I've done so far is just remove the head cover, pull the line out. I'm putting the head cover back on. You wanna listen for the snaps. Not today, pal. Anyway, all I'm gonna do is just put the head back on. You wanna listen for the snaps. Okay, so then that shows you that it's properly seated to feed the line through. The head's back on, we can get that out of the way for a second, and next I'm just gonna find both ends of the line and match them up. And of course, I sat down without my Leatherman. I'll be right back. Whew, man, me and this thing go way back. I don't know how I forgot it. I'm going to grab one end of the line, and I'm gonna run the line through my fingers in order to detangle it and to find the other end of the line so that I can match them up. So all you're literally doing is just lining up both ends. You're gonna cut the line so that it's a clean cut, and you're just basically getting rid of the bent, smashed, or frayed ends, because when we feed it through the head, one end has to go through both sides. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You'll see. Alright, this is just what I do. I'm going to hold on to one end, toss the other, and it's just easier for me when I get ready to load the line in. See what I just did? If you didn't, you need to rewind it because this is the most important part.
Hey,
How's it going, man?
nice day out.
Man, it's super nice. All you're going to do is line up those red marks, because when you do, the line has a straight path through the head. Let me show you. See the daylight right there? In a second, I'm about to push the line straight through the hole. Even though you cut it, you still might need to bend the end or straighten it out a little bit so it'll feed cleaner through the hole. Now watch this. If this is not working for you, don't trip out. Look, when you lined up the holes, could you see straight through? All you're gonna do is just make sure the line is straight, make sure the red lines are lined up, and just take your time. Now I'm gonna pull this string straight through and just make sure the ends are both even. Doing it like this helps to keep the head balanced and gives both sides the same amount of cutting line. Now I'm about to show you exactly how much line to use. So you're gonna need between 20 and 25 feet depending on the size of the line. 141 inches, which is 11 feet 9 inches, that's 23 feet, 6 inches total. That makes sense. I used some of this line already, and Milwaukee lists 25 feet for the smaller line and 20 feet for the larger line. Now let's wind it up. Don't guess the winding directions, follow the arrows on the head, putting light tension on the bottom while I wind the top. Then relax and just keep winding it. Now after I get finished winding this up, I'm going to leave it a little long on purpose just to show you the purpose of the cutter guard. After you bump feed the line, the cutter guard actually automatically cuts the line for you. Once you understand the direction of the head spin, you can control the throw direction on where you want the clippings to go. Remember the battery test? I'm going to see how far I can push this Milwaukee 8.0 battery. And before the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a trimming technique to keep the clippings off of unwanted areas. That little blade on the guard is there for a reason. It cuts the extra line down so the trimmer runs at the correct cutting width. That's also why you don't want to remove the guard. The guard is not just for safety. I'm going to show you a really quick technique to keep the clippings off of unwanted areas. Once you understand the throw direction, you can start working smarter. Now take a look at how I'm trimming. If I trim from the wrong side, I can throw the grass and debris back onto the bed or onto the sidewalk. But if I work from the better side, I can throw the clippings away from the bed and keep the area cleaner. All you're doing is understanding the direction of the head spin in order to throw the clippings where you want them to go. And as soon as I lay the string trimmer down, that means the battery is dead. And I'll be uploading that battery test video, so stay tuned.